Best travel gadgets for summer 2026. Summer travel is right around the corner, but packing heavy and sweating your way through vacation can completely ruin the vibe. That's why I bought and tested the most popular gear on the market to find the best travel gadgets for summer 2026. I spent my own money on these 5 items, so you don't have to waste yours. Product number 1. VacBird Rechargeable Wireless Pump Travel Storage Bag Set. When I first picked up this tiny little wireless pump, I honestly didn't think it would do much. It feels super lightweight, almost like a cheap plastic toy. But once I packed up 10 of these bags with my heavy summer jackets and bulky beach towels, it totally surprised me. You just charge the pump up, attach it, and watch it shrink everything down in seconds. I managed to fit double the clothes into my carry-on bag during my last weekend trip. The seal holds up really well too, so things stay tightly compressed for days. If you're a chronic overpacker who hates checking luggage at the ticket counter, this setup is an absolute lifesaver. Shoving everything into a suitcase is one thing, but keeping your body cool while walking around sticky, humid streets is another massive problem you will face when exploring a brand new sunny travel destination soon. Product number 2, Amacool Portable Waist Fan Clip-On. This waist fan feels like a rugged piece of gear when you clip it to your belt line. It has a solid, heavy weight to it because of that distinctly massive battery inside. When I wore it out on a long hike, I clipped it right onto my pants and tucked my shirt over it. The airflow was intense. It blasts air straight up your back, which kept me from completely melting. The 5 speed options are great, and even on medium, it lasted through my entire weekend camping trip without needing a single charge. Plus, the convenient light came in handy at night. If you work outdoors or do a lot of summer camping, this rugged option is definitely the right choice. Of course, if you don't want a heavy device hanging from your waist, a smaller handheld option might fit your personal style a whole lot better today. Product number 3, Wootook Portable Handheld Turbo Fan. Holding this little pink turbo fan in my hand feels completely different because it is incredibly sleek and fits perfectly right into my pocket. It has a smooth matte finish that makes it feel way more expensive than it actually is. Don't let the small size fool you though, because when I took this to the beach last week, the airflow on the highest speed was shockingly strong. It has 5 different speeds, and the 4,000 milliamp battery easily got me through a full day of baking under the sun without dying once. It is super quiet too, so I even used it at my office desk without annoying my coworkers. If you want something cute, lightweight, and highly pocketable for casual day trips, this is the one to grab. However, if you need even more battery life to survive an insanely long theme park day, listen to this. Product number 4. Playhot Portable Handheld Turbo Fan. When I unboxed this purple fan, the first thing I noticed was how light it felt, weighing just over half a pound. It has a clever 3-in-1 design that lets you hold it, sit it on a desk, or wear it around your neck with the included strap. During my testing, I wore it around my neck while walking through a massive, crowded street market, and having my hands completely free to hold snacks and drinks was amazing. That 5,000 milliamp battery gives you up to 12 hours of continuous use, which easily outlasted my longest day out. The 5 speeds give you total control over the breeze. If you're heading on a hectic beach vacation and need ultimate hands-free flexibility, pick this one up. But what if you need something much larger, specifically designed to keep you cool while sleeping in a stuffy hotel room at night? Product number 5, Travel Fan for Sleeping. This white travel fan feels incredibly sturdy and sits firmly on any nightstand with its 6.8-inch frame. It doesn't wobble at all, which is exactly what you want when you are resting. My absolute favorite part during my testing was the dial that lets you scroll through 100 different speeds. Instead of just low, medium, and high, you can find the exact amount of airflow and white noise you need to fall asleep. I took it on a recent cruise ship trip where the cabin AC was slacking, and this little savior kept the air moving beautifully all night long on its rechargeable battery. If you cannot sleep without a fan blowing directly on you and want perfect control over your environment, this is your best bet. It is an essential companion for any bedroom, cruise, or hot beachside hotel stay you have planned this summer. Those are my picks to keep you cool and organized on your trips. I put links to all 5 of these gadgets in the description below, so you can check current prices. Drop a comment letting me know which one you're grabbing, and I'll see you next time.